Well, the 10th annual Grain Bin Safety Week is underway, and the initiative aims to help prevent grain bin deaths through education for ag workers and the supply of grain rescue tubes and training to rural fire departments. Well, founder and owner of a specialty risk insurance agency, Kevin Charleston, is joining us now and giving us a little bit more on this initiative. Kevin, thank you so much. Tell us about your ad that we've been seeing about Grain Bin Safety Week.
This is an opportunity we use with Nationwide Insurance Company, or as one of their partners with us. This is an initiative they created a few years ago, probably 7 or 8 years ago, where we're able to put grain bin tubes in our local fire departments for rescues. So hopefully we create enough awareness that we don't have an issue in the grain bin, but if we do, we help train those local fire departments to put those tubes in place and extract people out of the grain if they do happen to get in that situation.
Absolutely. So important. If you could speak to people maybe watching right now, how can they help with Grain Bin Safety Week?
They can go to grainbinsafety.com and nominate their local fire department so that we can get those grain bins placed where they need to be. And we kind of figure out proximity to other ones we've already put in place through the last 5 to 10 years. So.
Well, this is obviously such important work, such an important initiative, and speak to why your company is so behind this and really taking a stand on this.
You know, one of the things that we see a lot in the farms today, a lot of younger people that maybe didn't grow up on a farm are out there working today. And just like the ads talk about, this is a very mature farmer that's been in the business for a long time that got in this spot. Well, just imagine a kid that didn't really know what they're doing. Somebody wasn't there to help them. And that's our local kids that we want to help take care of and keep them in safe spots.
You know, Kevin, I bet you have some stories, and I'd love to hear about this initiative and how you see this initiative and how it's helped if you look back over, the last few years or so. Speak to that a little bit.
You know, one of the things, just even at my own house, we don't have great big grain bins. We're more in the cattle business than the grain business. And if we talk about cleaning out a bin at my house, just because my wife has heard the conversation and saw some of the training we've done, she's like, listen, those boys aren't getting in that grain bin. They're not going to do it. And that's what we need to hear, that awareness that everybody in the household thinks about it, talks about it on that farm at a professional level, and even at, just at a home level. Everybody's talking about it and thinking about it. And we're not letting each other get in those spots because it is terribly risky.
Absolutely. Great insight. Thank you so much. Again, specialtyrisk.ag. That's where you want to go. And that's founder and owner of Specialty Risk Insurance Agency, Kevin Charleston. Kevin, thank you again for joining us.